Tapas Fleming here, tatlife.com. I learned something so great as I've been studying ACEs, Adverse Childhood Experiences. There's a statement that was shared in that world, and the statement is, what happened to you? So it's changing our whole frame of mind from what's wrong with you to what happened to you. Because the things that we do after we experience adverse childhood experience, ACEs, are just normal. They're fixes. We're trying to deal with what happened, so we're drinking too much alcohol, taking too many drugs, being too violent, being in relationships where we keep having people be violent to us, trying to make it all work out somehow. Well, maybe if I'm perfect, maybe if I try harder, it's going to work in the next relationship. We just find ourselves in all these crazy things. It's just natural. So changing the question to ourselves too, instead of saying, what is wrong with me, to what happened to me? And then dealing with those things with TAT, you get the results you want because you're not under the influence anymore of these bad things that happen to you. You are free. You're not trying to fix those old problems. You're just present in the here and now with more and more real happiness, real energy, real health. That all happens naturally from healing ACEs. So if you ever hear yourself saying to yourself, what's wrong with me? Or saying to your kids or your friends or your intimate relationship partner, what's wrong with you? Change it up to, what happened to you? That's going to make everything so much better. So there you go. Thank you for listening, and see you next time.